everyone. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to create your very own Lego stop motion animations. It's a fun and easy way to bring your Lego creations to life. So let's get started. First things first, you'll need a few essentials. Grab a clean and stable workspace, like a table or desk, and make sure you have a consistent light source, like a desk lamp. Don't forget your device and a tripod, or you can build a mount with Lego to keep your camera steady. Before we start animating, let's prepare our scene. This is crucial. Keep the camera position, lighting, and background consistent throughout your entire animation. Turn off any overhead lights and natural light to avoid inconsistencies. Be mindful of your own shadow or reflections, so try not to get in the way of your masterpiece. Now let's set up your iPad. Open Self-Service and install the Stop Motion Studio app. Lastly, download the free Stop Motion Studio app to capture and edit your animations. Choose a project name and head to the settings. Here we'll change the FPS frames per second to 15 FPS. This means your animation will play back at 15 images per second. Next, switch the camera mode to manual M and turn off auto white balance. This will give you more control over your lighting. All right, it's time for the fun part, animating. Let's start with a walk cycle. There are 5 key poses to master. Pose 1, neutral position, arms at the sides, feet together. Pose 2, 1 foot forward. Raise one leg slightly, move the opposite arm back and the other forward. Pose 3, balancing. Step forward, switch arm positions. You can add a bit of sticky tack if necessary. Pose 4, foot lands. Land with the raised leg, swing both arms down. Pose 5, return to neutral. Return to the neutral position. Take a picture at each of these poses, then play back your animation to see your minifigure strut their stuff. Export your stop motion animation video. Then save your work to files on your device. Now submit your completed walk cycle for evaluation. Now, you've got the basics down. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't be afraid to experiment and try new things. Start with simple animations and gradually work your way up to more complex projects. Most importantly, have fun and let your creativity run wild. Thanks for watching.